Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Boost Tech here, giving you a unboxing of the Hitachi DZHV5N5E. This is the first unboxing of the series for the Christmas hamper. So without any further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. And happy Christmas, by the way, guys. So this is the instruction manual with the installation CD at the back, I think. Have a look at that. So you get the quick start guide, and well, it seems to be a blank CD-ROM. Not sure, we'll find out what that is for. You have your charging cable, USB cable. I think this is the AV cable, you know, the general composite cable. This is the HDMI cable. The battery, this is the battery. This is the lens cap, I believe. And I think this is the carrying pouch, it's got Hitachi on it. And the main camcorder itself. So we'll unwrap that. Ooh, it looks lovely, this does. So this is full 1080p HD. This is what I'll be using from now on to do my reviews and unboxings. So yeah, I'll get this charged up and I'll do a review later on. So this is Boost Tech here, signing out. So thank you for watching, and rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.